Those criticizing us for relaxing lockdown know nothing about Kano. Abdullahi Ganduje, governor of Kano, says those who have expressed concerns about relaxing lockdown in the state are making noise. There have been concerns that there could be a spike in COVID-19 cases if the lockdown is relaxed. But speaking at an event to commence the distribution of face masks in the state on Monday, Ganduje said these critics only sit in air-conditioned offices in Federal Capital Territory (FCT) and know nothing about Kano. Those criticizing the steps being taken by the state government in relaxing the lockdown are only sitting in their air-conditioned offices in Abuja and making noise, for they know nothing about Kano. They have no idea about the composition of Kano and they understand nothing about the social setup of the state, the governor said. Kano is a mega city and is a complex society that is bigger than many states in the country. It shares the same characteristics with other mega cities of the world and needs to be treated as such. Ganduje said his commissioners would be in charge of distributing the face masks. The governor added that abattoirs would be allowed to operate on Mondays and Thursdays to avoid incessant slaughtering of animals in the nook and cranny of the metropolis. Ganduje spoke a day after he accused his counterparts of politicizing the return of Amajiri children to their home states. So now this man is telling us, Ganduje is telling us that those who have been criticizing him, they don't know what it means. They don't know what is happening, that they sit down in their air condition and begin to criticize. I don't know where himself, whether he sits or he stands under the sun. Meaning that he's working from pillar to post. He's working, making sure that things are in place. But some people just sit down in one place and begin to give order or begin to criticize, begin to say what they don't know. He's the one in charge. He's the one who has been with the people. He's the one who knows what the people need. So they should not tell him what is not. That is what he's telling us. And again, referring Kano as a mega city and is a complex society that is bigger than many states in the country, that it shares the same characteristics with other mega cities of the world and needs to be treated as such. Other mega cities in the world, they have the same characteristics. I don't know whether you agree to what he's saying, but the issue now is that why are they allowing, is that why they are relaxing this whole thing, so that they will allow these Amajiris to be going out of the state of their region, because all of them is the same thing. All these people are coming from those areas. Then why, if you know them, if really is a mega city, then you have Amajiris all over the place. In mega city, do you have all those kind of a thing? What a modern infrastructure do they have in Kano that you want to compare with all these other mega cities of the world? The way they littered all these children, is that the way it's being done in all mega cities of the world? Well, he's entitled to his opinion. Someone say, well done, our governor. You are doing well. Continue doing the right thing. We are on your side. Another says, COVID-19 cases loading. Governor should be smiling that is converted 15 billion naira is equally loading. The lives of Kano residents have no much value to him, I guess. Another says, Shugamo, you don't know what is going on in Kano, so stop attacking our governor. Even who are in the Kano, are you in Kano? Please, if you are not, then stop talking or putting your mouth in what you don't understand. Okay. Someone say, complete your statement. Kano is a mega city like Lagos and should be funded like Lagos as regards to COVID-19. Hence your 15 billion naira demand, Gandola. It's only Governor Wike that knows what is going on in Kano. Okay, then do una go talk. Then no do una go talk. Please, lazy Nigerians, make una mind una business for once. Every state gets the way they work. Don't use A to apply to B. Any measures have been taken by any state, they should just bear what comes out of it, because they know the terrain, they know how the people feel, they know and understand their people. Just like Ganduje is saying, that they just sit down in their comfort zone and begin to criticize and begin to do this and that. That is not really fair. You can imagine such a thing. He said he knows what is happening. Well, another says here that Mr. Governor, remember, as a Muslim, all works and actions shall be recorded and as well judged. according to our intention and participation. Now, as leader in Kano State, your good and response to various issues lay on you. Or yes, lie on you. Also remember all those that have died during during your tenure. Take proactive steps to avert the pandemics. That's what somebody is advising Ganduje here. Oga, we know everything. Right on. My fear is just the unnecessary movement of your Amajiris to the other parts of the country. Continue, Mr. Gandola. Kano is just a portion of cities like New York. They closed down the city for good. That's economically. Kano is not even considered as one of the holiest cities in the Islamic world. Kano is governed under the provision of the constitution. On what perceived does Ganduje stand to unlock Kano State as at this trying moment in the history of the world? Leadership is different from rulership. To be a leader, you need multiple qualities and blessing of God. Yes, we know nothing about Kano and coronavirus there. Just give him 15 billion naira. Shikina, everything will be okay. Oga Governor, we dey hey, God dey your side. We dey your side too. Gandola How Market, the only governor that value dollar to his people that voted him to power. Well done. Mega city with mega leader and mega 15 billion naira. We shall see the outcome of your leadership soon. You are causing problem for your state. Hope when everything boomerang, you will not backsmith, Mr. President or federal government. Please be fair to the governor. What he's saying is true about Kano. He knows very well more than those who are making noise without any point. Why must a good leader listen to people? Are those not the are they not the wishes of other people, or they don't wish other people what they don't even expect, or what they don't even think that could really happen to them? Another says, don't mind them. Continue. Someone says you are in charge. Do what you want. Come on. What is mega city about Kano? Is it mega nature? Is it the mega nature of Kano that made you to be proactive and prevent all the unnecessary death? No excuse is enough to describe your action of handling COVID-19 infection in Kano. Just imagine how people are dying like ants, and you are here talking as though you are the first person to govern Kano State. That's what somebody is saying here. And we have a lot of responses. Those who reply this particular comment say that, okay, it is this man that they are calling a Sugarman or Sugarman. Mr. Sugarman, why don't you believe in every news, or why do you believe in every news you read on mass media? I'm in Kano right now, no doubt about it. There's really news of death, but not as a publicized. Okay. Someone say, Oga, do you people value life at all? What is the justification for the fact that life is lost? It doesn't matter how many people die. So please let that just keep to yourself and protect the people of Kano. Enough is enough. Whether it is a one person, whether it is there are two people, whether there are three people, it is very important. Every life matters. That is what this person is trying to say. The other one is saying that okay, of course people die, but the kind of number people they are putting out there is not the same number that, you know, the kind of experience they have. There are people that die in that place in Kano, and somebody say no. Even if it's only one person, you have to value life. Life is it's so precious. It's so precious than to just be wasted. Because maybe we'll start having like a 10,000 or 20,000. Hey, maybe that is when they will not believe that okay, really people are dying. Even if it's only one person, you know, life of one person matters a lot. Someone say, is it Kano that is paining you, or the careless loss of our citizens? Reason well and stop talking irrationally. Another says Kano is better than your state. Okay. All these ones are really bashing themselves. I don't think all of those things are necessary. The most important thing is that this issue of Ayama jury, they should just keep them to themselves and take care of them. Because with this realization, that is what is giving room for this Amajiri to go as, and all of them, they know, most of all the governors in those states, that they have Amajiris that are leaving their states to another place. Who is footing the bill? Who is paying for the truck they are using to load these children to other states. Somebody is paying for all those things, and they know what they are doing. So everybody just needs to be careful. Take care of your people and let everything be okay. That is what people are demanding for, not too much thing. So guys, let's hear your opinion concerning what Ganduje has said.